Most beginners think they need expensive software and advanced editing skills to create a professional YouTube intro. But honestly, that's not true anymore. In this video, I will show you how anyone can create an animated YouTube intro using only Canva, even if you have zero editing experience. Like this. First, go to Google and search for Canva. Then open the Canva website. From the home page, select a template and click on Landscape Video. Now choose any template you like and click on Customize this template. After opening the editor, go to the layers below and start editing the parts you want to change, like your YouTube channel name, text or logo. If you want to add your own logo or image, first select the existing image and delete it. Then go to the Upload section and click on Upload Files. Now upload your picture or logo and simply drag it into the video. If you move it near the circle frame, it will automatically fit inside the circle. And if you want to remove the background from your logo, link shown above in the video. Now you can also change the colors of all the elements in your intro if you want. Let's add music. Go to the Elements section, then select Audio. Search for YouTube intro or simply intro. Choose the music you like. Then drag the audio into the layer below. And that's it, your intro is ready. Finally, click on Share. Then download and export the video in your preferred format. Then download